What's the meaning of cornbread? Cornbread. Cornbread.
Cornbread. Cornbread. Cornbread is a type of bread made from cornmeal, flour, baking powder, salt, milk, and eggs. It is a staple food in Southern American cuisine and is often served with savory dishes such as barbecue, fried chicken, and greens. Cornbread has a slightly gritty texture and a slightly sweet flavor due to the cornmeal. It can be baked in a pan or skillet and is usually served warm. Some variations include adding cheese, jalapenos, or bacon to the batter for extra flavor. Overall, cornbread is a delicious and versatile bread that pairs well with many different dishes.